Imagine a world with just a speck of dust. Slowly, when you pull yourself further away, you see more of them producing and mutating from each other. You realize that we're made out of one another, different and yet the same. Just like plants, look inside of them. Their shape is not what makes them look like a leaf. They are much more than that, and assemblages interwoven and connected with other assemblages. Life within another life. People and ideas are the same. We all go through a rhizomatic pattern. We talk about ideas, reproduce them, alter them, expand them. Everything becomes chaotic, but it is nonetheless unlimited. Ideas are like forms. Before a form takes shape, it must go through a process of events, from people to experience to emotions to ideals, and then to an idea. It's like an equation where all events add up in the process to create a new form. There is no distinct form as they are all connected. There is no alienation. In that case, how do you view your relationship with other animals? And what if I told you that humans have the same DNA as apes, and cats are mutated from snakes, and that we are all made up of the same matter of the universe? This pattern of looking at things is called an interdisciplinary approach, where we look at different disciplines and other perspectives, which could require other disciplines. Like in this case, an ecological perspective is used to look at culture. There are many other cases as well, like our department where we combine 4 main streams: linguistics, translation, literature, and culture studies. In so many ways, they are inseparable because they're almost the same thing. Even though some things end, some things go forward. There really is no beginning or end, just a shift of perspectives. But they continue to prosper until they wait for another change. We are all authors who create our own meanings in the process. In other words, the world is consisted of a blur of different ideas and many other things with no boundaries. The rhizome pertains to a map that must be produced, constructed, a map that is always attachable, connectable, reversible, modifiable, and has multiple entryways and exits, and its own lines of flight. Seeing how the world is connected in so many ways, interdisciplinary therefore prompts us to rethink how we as humans tend to alienate ourselves with other non-humans. It prompts us to think what makes a human human, what makes us special and different from other species. In a nutshell, interdisciplinary is the idea to think differently.